A transistor is a semiconductor device that amplifies or switches electronic signals. It is a key component in electronic devices such as radios, televisions, computers, and smartphones. The invention of the transistor in 1947 revolutionized electronics and paved the way for the development of modern computing and communication technologies. The history of the transistor can be traced back to the late 19th century when researchers discovered the phenomenon of the Edison effect. This effect occurs when an electric current flows from a heated filament to a metal plate inside a vacuum tube. The flow of electrons creates a current that can be amplified or switched. Vacuum tubes were used extensively in early electronics, but they were large, fragile, and consumed a lot of power. In the 1930s, researchers began experimenting with semiconductor materials such as germanium and silicon. They discovered that these materials could exhibit similar electronic properties to vacuum tubes but in a much smaller and more efficient package. In 1947, William Shockley, John Bardeen, and Walter Brattain of Bell Labs invented the first working transistor. The invention of the transistor was a significant breakthrough in electronics. It replaced the bulky and fragile vacuum tubes with smaller, more reliable, and more efficient semiconductor devices. This enabled the development of a wide range of electronic devices, including radios, televisions, and computers. In the 1950s and 1960s, the development of the transistor led to the creation of the first commercial transistor radio and the first solid-state computer. The transistor also enabled the development of integrated circuits, which are small chips that contain multiple transistors and other electronic components. Integrated circuits revolutionized the electronics industry by making it possible to create complex electronic devices in a small, affordable package. The impact of the transistor on society has been enormous. It has enabled the development of modern computing and communication technologies, including smartphones, laptops, and the internet. It has also contributed to the miniaturization of electronics, making them more portable and accessible to the general public. The transistor has also had a significant impact on industry, enabling the automation of manufacturing and other processes. In summary, the invention of the transistor was a key milestone in the history of electronics. It revolutionized the way electronic devices were built and enabled the development of modern computing and communication technologies. The impact of the transistor on society has been profound, transforming the way we live, work, and communicate.